Hey everyone, this is Louise Lemlin. I'm your instructor for English 122 this semester, and I'm really excited to jump in and start our course. I began my teaching at the Contra Costa Community Colleges at Contra Costa College in San Pablo, and I've been at DVC now for 2 years. I really like teaching 122. It's one of my favorite English courses to teach because I think of it as a gateway course. And what I mean by that is it teaches you critical thinking. It teaches you questioning. It teaches you skills that you will be able to use throughout the rest of your entire college career. We will be doing research and learning how to document that research correctly. You'll be learning how to be a more critical reader. You'll be learning how to express yourself more professionally in writing. All skills that are great going forward for any job or any career you choose, or if you choose to stay in academia. So we're going to have a good time. The theme of the course, as you may have seen already on our Canvas homepage, is myself, my community, and my society. So it gives us an opportunity to really delve into who we are as individuals and how we want to construct our communities and our bigger society and really construct the world that we want to live in. So I'm excited to get started on that process with you. And real quickly, a little bit about myself. I have 3 daughters. Here's pictures of them when they were little. Here we go. These pictures were taken, everyone, on their first birthday. So this one is now 19. This one is now 18. And I'm backwards. This one is now 14. So 2 of them are starting out on their college careers or in the middle of, and the last one is in high school. This is our adopted daughter, Noella. She is from Mungari, Tanzania. She has her own mama and papa that she lives with and siblings, but we help her pay for her education. So she's also our daughter. So that's a little bit about my family. Oh, and we also have a big German Shepherd, 2 cats, 3 chickens, and, well, it's a lot of fun. But I really want to hear about you guys. I filmed 2 other quick videos in which you'll get to hear a little bit more about me. They also kind of give you formats, alternative formats for ways that you can introduce yourself to our class community. So let's get started. See ya.